Hey guys, in this review we're going to be talking about the DAS mechanical keyboard. This is the 4th edition and it's built for the Mac. It has brown switches, so it's built for a more quiet environment. It doesn't make that much of a tactile clicking noise. Stay tuned to find out more.
The DAS Keyboard 4 is a premium mechanical keyboard. With a hefty price tag of $170, it is overpriced in my opinion. Notable features are the massive volume knob and the USB 3.0 hub. It includes a riser that is connected with magnets, and it also functions as a ruler. One of my favorite improvements over the original DAS keyboard is that it only requires one USB connection to power the keyboard and the USB hub. Unfortunately, I don't find the extra features over the original DAS keyboard worth the extra money.
One tip if you're deciding whether to purchase the Windows or the Mac version is I think you should get the Windows version because I think it's a bit cheaper. And I find it easier to use the Windows keyboard in a Mac environment, but not vice versa. So I find that the Mac version, it is a little bit more expensive, and I find swapping the keys for Windows a little less intuitive than it is the other way around. So I'd rather just get the Windows version, and if you really have to use it in a Mac environment, it's really easy to swap the Windows key and the Alt key and just have it work perfectly fine and no problems. Compared to the old DAS keyboard, I do think that this is built a lot better. It's a lot sturdier and it looks nicer because it doesn't have a glossy finish. This is more like a matte, so the fingerprints, the smudges don't really appear as much as on the other keyboard. So that's a nice benefit if you're looking purely for aesthetics. Now let's move on to a sound test. I'm going to compare this keyboard with the original DAS keyboard. So this is going to be the DAS keyboard 4 versus the original one. Anyways, that's it for this video about this keyboard. If you're gonna go check it out, please let me know what you think about it. And if you like this, please give a like and subscribe for more tech videos. See you in the next video.